Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn about English verbs. And today I want to discuss you all that five most useful verbs that your daily English speaking will better. So the first verb is do. The verb we can and a part of their verbs that V1, V2 and V3, or do's present form is do and past form or V2 is did, and sorry, past participle form or V3 form is done. So present form is did, present form is do, did and done. Do, did and done. The second one verb is write. Write is the present form or V1, and second one V2 or past form is wrote, and V3 or past participle is the written. Write, wrote, written. And the third one verb most important is go. Go, went, gone. V1 is go, V2 is went, and V3 is gone. And the fourth one is most important one is eat. Eat is V1, V2 is ate, and V3 is eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. And we learn the verbs, and then we'll make the sentence or present, past and a future tense. So the first one verb is do. Let's make a sentence of do present form. So the present form sentence is I do the work. I do the work. And past one is or do, did, or right. I did the work. And the third one is future tense. I will do the work. Only use for future tense that will I and begins I and then will to do and the work. And comment in below for the fourth of verbs and their sentence. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video.